Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use of Telegram updated. Tap the app icon, enter your phone number, and input the SMS code to verify. Next, set a display name, add a photo, and allow contacts access for easier connections. I will walk you through chats, channels, and groups with simple steps and friendly tips so you can start messaging confidently and securely right away. Learn the differences between chats, groups, and channels so you know where to post and where to read. Private chats are for one-to-one messages, groups are for collaboration with many members, and channels are for one-to-many broadcasts. I will show how to create each, manage permissions, mute notifications, and find useful public channels so you can tailor Telegram to your needs and stay organized. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. I've been enjoying reading guides on a compact e-reader that makes following steps easier and more relaxing. Check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals related to items shown here, and grab a comfortable setup to follow along. Now let's get back to the video. Protecting your privacy is simple and important, so I will guide you through the settings step by step. Set who can see your last seen and profile photo, enable two-step verification, and use secret chats with self-destruct timers for sensitive messages. I will also explain how to block and report contacts, and how to manage active sessions to log out remotely, keeping your account secure and under your control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.